You know we gang, y'all. You know we war G. You know we gang, y'all. You know we war G.
There's no way, bro. There's no way, bro. That little sounder. TK Thunder, they put us up. That little sound I heard, bro. Gang. Like, you're a police officer. A regular civilian knows that it's not the sound of a gunshot. You are a trained... Like, what are you talking about? Do you have autism? I stopped at trained. Because I realized 80% of these motherfuckers aren't trained in shit.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
What? Did you stop, drop, and roll? This you as a cop. This just isn't me as a cop. If I was a cop, I'd be on timing. I'd be a dirty cop too, boy. I'm making deals with the drug lords. I'll be a mean. I want to set up. Like, my pet peeve, them cop. I hate, like, I don't like a lot of type of cops, but the ones that be like planning on that shit is out of that must be so different, bro. I don't know, bro. Cause what are you getting, like?
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Why he rolling?
Shots fired! You know.
He started shooting at the motherfucker? Is he shooting at this guy? Is it this dude or something?
Josh, I got told that I'm weird for this, but I basically got a foot fetish. Am I a weird ass nigga for liking to lick feet and shit? You niggas are missing out.
Yes. What's he shooting at? Is he shooting at his car? Wait, what? What the fuck is this nigga shooting at?
Shots fired! You know.
Is there somebody in the car? Is there somebody in the fucking car? What the fuck? Wait, if they have a dude in the car, is the dude not handcuffed? If he has a dude detained in the car, he's handcuffed, right? Then what is the thought process? They're shooting at a cuffed man in a car?
I'm hit!
He's hit by what? What is hitting you?
What? In the car! I was shot through the car! Oh!
Oh my god. This is actually crazy as fuck. PTSD dead scary? Nigga, fuck this nigga and his PTSD. What the fuck is you talking about? Nigga got brain rot. That's what the fuck he got. Nigga, I'm being shot.
I'm good.
You got PTSD. You shouldn't be working as no fucking officer, fuck nigga. I've been hit. I've been hit.
I'm good.
Bro, the boy parents probably tripping out because they said, well, bro. What is you groaning at, you whole ass nigga? Yo, I want to kill this motherfucker. What is he making these sound effects for, bro? Is this nigga trolling? Shot himself? Wait, he didn't shoot himself. You're lying. You're lying. He didn't shoot himself. He didn't. You're lying. 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 You're literally lying.
I don't know. I might have hit my vest.
Do you hear that poor girl? Look at this fucking maggot! Look at this motherfucker! Yo, skin this nigga!
Stay inside your house. Stay inside your house.
Why is she crying? Are you retarded? Okay, I know a lot of y'all have like learning disability. And you have learning problems. So let me. I'm gonna break it down for you. Okay, I'm gonna put you in this case scenario. Your brother or your dad or your loved one gets locked up or detained in a police car for whatever reason. I don't know what reason. Then you just see a cop letting off a full magazine into the fucking car, knowing your fucking brother, daddy, friend, whoever the fuck that person is to you, is handcuffed without a weapon. They're just unloading in that fucking car. Why the fuck do you think she's fucking crying? You fucking brain dead fucking maggot? Why do you think? You fucking turd? Fuck you! Is he alive?
It might have hit my vest. I don't know. But
is he alive?
I'm not.
Did the other cop shoot in the car too or no?
I don't know. It felt like it.
They shot TF out that car and didn't hit the nigger in the car. Holy fuck, send these niggers to hell.
Huh? Wait. So both these motherfuckers were aiming at a nigga. They dumped. Wait. Wait, no, that can't be true. Let me finish this.
Jesse, move over to me. I got you. Move over to me.
They got the AR.
Jesse, come back. Mark vehicle right there. Dude, am I hit?
Is this Florida? Is that a Florida sheriff? Wait. Wait. Listen. What part of Florida was this? It wasn't South. It can't be South Florida. I don't think it was South Florida. Remember, the only part of Florida that exists is South Florida. Any other part is fucking irrelevant and not really Florida for real. What part of Florida was it? It wasn't Broward. It wasn't Broward County. What city? Okaloosa. That's not even near. That's not near us. Okaloosa, Florida. What the fuck even is an Okaloosa? What the hell is that?
What?
Iowa is currently reinstating a bill to being death penalty to pedos. This should be countrywide. Let's get these niggas up out of here.
Bro,
also
that's
Iowa.
by Tallahassee. That's damn near Georgia right there. That's sharing between Georgia. Yo, that's not Florida. Fuck out of here.
Mark vehicle right there. Dude, am I hit? Come on.
Dude, am I hit? You know you're not fucking hit, you fucking rodent. I want to see more. When you were handcuffed in the back of the police car and the acorn falls on the roof. Bro. Cop resigns after mistaking... No. How about we stone this motherfucker to death on national television? How about we just do that? My nigga... Y'all patted him down, handcuffed him. How is he gonna obtain a gun? What are you talking about? What? Jackson was in detained, search, and bro. I'm hit. He falsely stated as he laid on the ground. Also reported a gunshot towards the car as well in response to receive threat of police violation regarding excessive use of a control to resist. Put that rubber use deadly force office. Bro, I want to see this motherfucker speak in court or something. I need more. I need to know what type of brain he has, bro. What the hell is that? Easy loss, so bro. I want this nigga and his family need to be just rich for life, bro. And these niggas and the rest of these other niggas gotta I don't know. They gotta fucking go, bro. I don't know. Fuck them niggas, bro. Fuck them. I don't know, bro. That is scary, bro. Adin versus Vegeta fanmade. What you putting Aaron up against a fucking Saiyan for?